What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your mobile hotspot speed. So, if you ever want to boost your mobile hotspot speed, or if you didn't know that you can boost them, then, or if you didn't know that you can actually boost this, make it faster, check this out. Go ahead and find settings on your Android phone. As you can see, I have it right here. But if you're not able to find it, swipe up, guys, and just simple type in settings. You'll find it. Just click on it and open it up like that. Now, go to connections at the top there. You'll most likely find it. And scroll down and find mobile, hotspot, and tethering. You click on that. Now you click here, then you click on hotspot, and right here you will see that it shows band. As you can see, mine showing 2.4 gigahertz. I can click on that and look at this. You have the band compatibility performance, and you can bring this all the way up to 5G and even to 6G. See, as I can tap there and you bring me all the way to 6G. How cool is that? And so once you set whatever you want, click and save. And now you can have someone connect to your mobile hotspot and you will see how fast that works. And so that's it. That's how you can boost your mobile hotspot speed, guys. Very easy and very simple.